Today we're heading to the Valley of Fire. It's a cool little place just east of Vegas. Not too far a drive, about 45 minutes. We'll get there shortly. Got some gorgeous rocks and probably see some goats. Made it to the Valley of Fire. We'll be sticking to the less known locations. Just gonna explore around, not gonna stick to the trail. Hopefully find some cool things. I gotta get used to talking to the camera sometimes. A lot of times I'll stutter, not know what to say, and just sound like an idiot. But I gotta get better at talking to the camera, so if I stutter a lot, I'm not gonna edit it out. I'm just trying to practice. This is new to me. I'm not really much of a talker. I don't talk to people. It takes a while for me to talk to people too, if they're my friends. But I do my best to make good quality content. Hopefully I can find something before the sun goes down. I'm heading back to the car now because I forgot my tripod. It's a good thing I didn't go too far because that would have sucked. Okay, I made it back. Got my tripod. Stupid mistake, it's just like leaving your SD card behind. You might not know when you need a tripod. It's even dumber if you forget your SD card. Look at this cubed rock up here. It's got arches on each side. Not this one up here. This is an awesome formation. Look at that. How does this form like this? Coming across the crest here, let's see this view. It's nothing but red and black and green. If I don't see anything here soon, I'm probably gonna turn around, go to the Seven Sisters. It's just stacked rocks out in the open. Really cool, really weird, but it's something different. I'm finding poop everywhere, but I'm not finding any animals. It's really weird. Every time I come here, I always see goats. But hopefully I can see birds, because there's bird poop out here as well. Or a goat. I really want a goat. I need to correct myself. They're not goats, they're longhorn sheep. Sorry, Nevada, I got your state animal wrong. They all look the same. I see some bright yellow trees in the distance contrasting with the red rocks. Hopefully I can get something out of it. Not really looking forward to something coming out of it. Not really the right angles. So just gonna wing it. Yeah, I was right. It's not turning out. The trees aren't at the right angle, or I'm not close enough. So they're not as good. I'll probably maybe walk down there. It's kind of far in a way, but yeah, I'm gonna go down there. Why not? I think I'm at the bottom. I don't know yet. Feels like it. Temperature got really nice in the shade right here, but let's see. Hoping those yellow trees aren't so far away from where I originally was, which was up there. But yeah, almost there. The worst part about working with sand is how it just gets ruined so quickly. All you gotta just go, boom, picture's ruined. But there's hooves and paws everywhere, and shoes, lots of shoes. Don't know how fresh everything is. Doesn't rain, wind doesn't push it that much. But made it down from there in the river, walking away from the yellow trees. I'm gonna probably walk this way for 5 minutes. Oh yeah, that is some poop. Some poop. And some poop. I would love to have this to be a picture if it weren't for the fact that people have been walking all over and disturbing the sand. It looks so clean if it had all these ripples and no footmarks. See, look at these ripples, so nice. And then, yeah, somebody steps in it, ruined. Sucks. Coming up to some narrows. Gonna see what's on the other side of it, and then probably want to turn around. Best way is probably just get over this rock. Now try to squeeze through, cut myself up. Careful, careful, and up. Yeah, there's nothing up here. I'm gonna turn around. Stupid me, I always forget either freaking water or a flashlight. No matter what, always forget. I'm walking up onto the tree right now. From right here, it sort of looks like a birch tree. It's just all by itself in the middle of a river. That's right up. Surrounded by nothing but red rocks. But we'll see when we get there. Made it to the trees. They are looking to be like some sort of birch. I don't know what type of tree they are. I'm not a scientist. But let's see what I can do with them. I'm setting up the camera now. I put on my wide lens. Trying to get a lot of the trees in the background as well. I keep hearing chipmunks to my right. Don't know what they're up to. Gonna try to get every angle from down here, then I'm gonna make my way up onto the mountain behind me. See if it changes anything. Let's see. So far, not liking it. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta leave in like an hour and a half. Park closes at sundown. So hopefully I'll come across something. If not, I'll show you one of my old photos that I took. Last time I was here, it was a goat. It was standing in the middle of the road and it just wanted to pose. It was a trophy animal. Its horn was growing into its right eye, and it was fully curled with its horns. It was really cool. Okay, this looks better. Currently heading back to the Jeep. Didn't find anything I liked. The stainless killer. It's taking a lot of energy out of me. Plus, now I gotta climb back up the mountain to go down the mountain. I'm gonna be done after this. So, the picture of the longhorn sheep I took, it was a couple of weeks ago. He was just standing in the road, and he was just standing looking pretty, blocking traffic. So, me and my friend, we hopped out and just started taking photos of it, and he just stood there and let us. So here it is. Almost make it back to the parking lot. Still a ways to go. I regret not bringing water. I made it back to the car. Still nothing. Can't get a single shot. Nothing looks good to me. Nothing catches my eye. I'm probably just gonna pack up, head back. Hopefully on the drive back, maybe there'll be some sheep. But I can't even get a picture out of these huts either. Just nothing looks right. And since it's such a common area, people are gonna have pictures of them everywhere. So I don't want to take a picture of something that's already low valued. Time to go. Time to head back. Well, I've driven through most of the park. Didn't come across a single animal. Looks like I'm gonna head home from here. So make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you want to follow along with some more adventures.